Igbo bi Igbo ekenekwa mụrụ n'ụbọchị nke taata ebe nọ na n'ụlọ ma ya sị m ihe nwaanyị emelụ nwoke melụ nwaanyị na-atụ n'ahụ. This video na afọ n'akụkụ ebe anụ nkịta na-epili na video anụ was discovered na Ngokpala. The reason why I weta this video ebe because na the video nọ na social media ebe ahụ niile na-afọ ọ dịzị anọ ka Ebuka Obi wu chairman of Ngokpala local government. Ọ dịzị anọ ka Ebuka Obi wu governor Imo State. Ọ dịzị anọ ka Ebuka Obi wu security operative, okay, security chief of army staff in the Imo State. It's very, very unfair. One more because a lot of people post this video and say, hey, Ebuka Obi, in a many 100 days in a for half chanka men cause why you for onka. That is what they are gladly saying about this video. On what a now support in her John. Do you know whether no maka ekpele emecha me this type of thing ji apụtalụ? Do you know that no ekpele emecha me odi ha no wasa? Do you know whether na obibi Ebuka Obi bia na Ngokpala me odi ha ji apụtalụ? Man, it's just so sad that a lot of people now say na Ngokpala the peaceful, na Ngokpala melanka melankozo. They are still the ones saying that na no bụ na Ebuka Obi bụ man of God. Why you wanna offer nka mgbe ahụ we send the police we me nke ọzọ o we bụla kita anwa ka na eme ya, which means na everywhere ka Ngokpala ka Ebuka Obi no. Mgbe Ebuka Obi bịa sị unu na agbaka unknown government location na Ngokpala unu nwesikwala mba na asị na Ngokpala dey safe na Ngokpala menka ọzọ. Mana the story that unfolded this week and last week shows that na something is going on low key. Something is going on low key na ime ọhịa bụ na ahụ niile ahụ. What happens to other part? Why can't you people take responsibility and go and clear those places? Chop on that and why would Nigeria clear chop on because na in a na phone things na go wrong somewhere. You don't just come out and single somebody. Say nekwa ona ebe monso no nka no kedu nka no uke. Nwere nke no uke. Eptasi na-ejide kidnappers n'uke na why kwa na offer ya only discover kidnappers then n'uke only discover bandits n'uke. All those they say why you offer ya why you mean there are things that now some things begin when things begins to happen you just want to say why are those things happening and why are they happening in such a time as this. Or you can see Jonga so any reason of money kume no wa mali. These are the questions that you need to ask yourself first. Not come and shifting blame because now this our narrative of always shifting blame is causing us a lot of things, especially Igbo. Mother you going one nearby school. When I say or basketball come you going one near negoni no one. Now be how you mean one near. Mother a lot of me ona I say a bear corner since or bucket a corner a lot of ona. Mother you maka ihe awful. I say why kuro maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Why kuro maka nka? Ebotakwe maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Hey, na iji hazolu view. Why beg why unu ekwuri asinse? Obolo kita ka ya na ekwu ya unu ji hazolu view. Mana those people are the same people na support on Yoruba. Ekwu maka Maazị Nnamdi gwara unu that no, he will not even change, he will not even go anywhere. I said it here. Njiwe conclude we say no obolo no ya nwaka Chukwu you use to play the role. Let God use him. Mana we should not forget at the end of the day kedi ihe melano. Nyanwa kede born today kedi ho kan ekwu maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọzọ. He is just trying to play with the minds of Igbo people. All ndị Igbo we ligote. So that ka odi aka na ndị mana most of our people want short time memory. Ka odi aka ye ndị ba ye chefu ihe omegombu. Mana people like us we always remind him and very dark man the kind of human being habo. Are they doing what is right? Yes. Man, in terms of being fair to oneness and to the unity of our diversity and our unity and oneness in Nigeria, they are not being unfair to Igbo. They are not being unfair to Igbo. You go. That is just it. So Ebuka Obi na Imo State. And I say Ebuka Obi is not the governor of Imo State. Let me bring it to your notice now. He is not the governor of Imo State. Just like what somebody said. Mbona asina bawa on unknown government location. Mbana lo ikile Zion Grand. So somebody put a sinner, Ebuka Obi abụrụ governor of Imo State. He doesn't have right to announce no such thing. That Ebuka Obi abụrụ chief of army staff Imo State, no abụrụ chief of security force. That why would he say such thing? Maybe the security operative did not say it and the governor did not say it. Why would you know? So on that note, I also want to put out your words to you people. Now, when they discover the Imo State and you people are disturbing Ebuka Obi over it. Ebuka Obi is not security of Imo State. Ebuka Obi is not the governor of Imo State. Can we own Agbaketa? Because now it is time we begin to take responsibility and stop shifting blame to people. It is high time we begin to take our own responsibilities. Mother man, he say yes na ni metelanka ni meteronka si ona meya. Chile one negalo not be on the side of na emelele akonya siwe. Onya no na akwakwa gi ha has never for one day magoku ezigbo ihe maka gi. They will always be Ikuriona, Imeronka, Imeronkozo, Imeronka, Imeronkozo, Imeria like this, Imeroquia like this, because enough a lot of things, Madukwesiri stand up on their right. Become a man, full man, and not take blame or not shift blame on somebody over something that even him can be a change to. Even him can be a change to. This indicator and a discover that place. Does it mean that none outside baby near? Does it mean none outside the that type of thing that place? Man, it's just so sad that even that one lady behind us no joke away men cause nobody is calling him again. No. Nobody is calling him again. Man, ba go n'ụzọ Imo State n'ụzọ ngọkpala agbakwala egbe men cause asị na agbala mmadụ egbe men cause you go those time of thing na emecha mgba. That one lady behind, why hasn't people be calling him? Onye na-eme video na say akwa na side of church Ebuka Obi happening life nka that nwa dị bịa ahụ asị na ọhala mmiri kezie ebe ọ nọ mana mgbe ha these people are the one hailing him no ha mmiri men cause mmiri anụ nwa na-ezi na Lagos since abalị nya kịta na December ọ ya sị na ọya nwahalia because na ọ bụ na mmadụ gwara m yesterday afternoon ụdị anwụ na-acha na yesterday night yesterday before Mlarola na million years this morning, I will not believe you. Mananaka haka na meheme mmiri weta suluzo wezuo nke akwa na ezo nke akwụsị na December. So most times we should learn to and stop shifting and blaming people over something even you and I can be a change to. Kodelo nya bona mma mbọsị nke tata. Kodekwan.